Hi guys, good day everyone. This is Ed. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Stocks DIY. Today I will give you an update on my Sharesies portfolio. So I've been doing like a monthly update on my portfolio, and this time this is my fourth month in Sharesies. So again, I'm still in the learning stage. So this is just for entertainment purposes, and maybe you can follow my journey. So now I'll show you. So I start from here. So right now I have a $6,357 $0.65 in my portfolio, and 93% higher risk, 4% medium, and 2% lower risk. Right now I still have some $41.66 in my wallet, so that accounts for 1%. So now I am loss of $100.40, equivalent to negative 1.54% return. So it was the stock prices are going up recently, but only last Friday there was like a crash in the market again. So I'll show you. So it keeps on going up, then until such time I reach like a positive return, so plus $16. Then it keeps on going. I have this is the maximum. I think I got 272. Then goes down. Then suddenly this is the result of the Friday trading. So it is like a minus $100.40 for my portfolio. Okay, so today's Monday, so I don't know what will happen today. Will the stock prices go up or down? Okay, so I'll show you my funds invested in. So I still have the old stocks that I purchased before. So Australian top 20. So it's a minus. Everything is negative because of what happened last Friday. I think only one is positive. Yeah, this. Oh no, it used to be positive. This one, the US large growth, but now it's still on the negative side. Yeah, I think I used to have like a 6 funds in my portfolio, but I added the low risk one. This is the NZ bond fund. I was trying to. I've seen this one is has a rising stock prices, but suddenly, you can see here, suddenly when I purchased at this point, then suddenly it went down. So I don't know what happened there. Anyway, go back. So you can really tell what will happen to the market. Now for the companies, I have a couple of companies here. So A2 Milk, so it's still minus. Then this AFT pharmaceutical used to be always at the positive side, but suddenly what happened last Friday, so it's still now negative 9.36%. You can see here. So big drop. So when it dropped last Friday, I still purchased some, but still it went down. Okay. Then Air New Zealand, it was doing well. I have a 4% gain, but you can see here it also went down this Friday. And I have ANZ. I was having higher return on a few days. See here. Then also it dropped here. Then Breeze is also negative. Breeze goes. Chorus is still on positive side. Then I have a pending purchase from Forcon Beta. So because there was like a market offering or something like that, so I was able to purchase worth $20 of stocks from them. Then the Vision Pikel is not really doing good. So used to be like a positive 10 to 15%. Now it's only down to plus 7%. Still this Genesis is 5 plus 5%, and this is my, I think the lowest I got, or The lowest one is my Kathmandu, but this one is also low. Kathmandu, what happened here is that because I purchased most stocks during February, that was the peak point, and after that the market crashed. So you can see a lot purchase here, then it crashed, but I still purchased 3 times here, but not so much. Then so Kingfish is about break even. So main trade I was able to climb up. It used to be low as well. See, I purchased February, then went down, keep on purchasing, then now it's here. Oceania is back to negative. PFI, then push I have a negative one. The problem here is I purchased too late for push pay because I sold my stock before. So now I think I don't have to sell my stocks, because see, I started it low, then I sold it somewhere here, so again some dollars here, but now I purchased at this time, so it's already at the highest price. Okay. Then restaurant brand, so I just keep on investing in this one slowly. Then Scott is on negative 10. Okay, so Smart Pay, I think Smart Pay is doing good. That's a so from this low point and now high, but it went down last Friday as well, but not so bad. So I have like a $52 gain on this one. Okay, then Vector, then Vital Healthcare, then Z. So basically this one is still minus, this one is minus as well, so this one is positive, the Vital Healthcare. So purchase at this point, this I think last time I purchased at this date, April 13, then sold it here, then purchase again, and I'm still having this one. So the investment gain is $3.43. Okay, so I think that is my update on the 4th month of my investment. So hopefully today it will have a good positive results. So please subscribe to my channel to follow my journey on this Sharesies stock investment. So again, this is Ed, and thank you for watching.